starting with the Ganesha Mudra, removing of obstacles. Inhaling, release tension. Exhaling, increase the tension. Repeat this 5 times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 2 more times. As we begin our Vinyasa, just breathe and continue up to our standing back bend. We'll add one side, twisting up and over. Inhale, back to center, and other side. Lean forward with the hips, back with the body. Come to center. Inhale, lengthen, reach through, all the way down. Bend the knees, right leg back to lunge. Lower the knee. Come onto the thigh, push off the thigh, open the heart, lift. Hips are forward and low. And open the knee and foot, reach it forward. Toes gonna lift in the back, flex and point. Lean forward. Deep groin stretch and hip stretch. Come back, lean through that hamstring, point and flex. And head to knee. Reach forward, pigeon pose. Square your hips. Good. And king pigeon, any version. Lift. Open that heart. Inhale and exhale. Now pigeon twist. Sacrum grounds. Open the heart. Back through center and come to down dog. Come to plank pose. Lower and your cobra. And breathe. Open the heart. Lift the legs, down dog. Other side lunge. Lower the knee and come on to the thigh. Open the heart. Inhale. Knee turns out, foot turns out, lean forward. Deep hip stretch, point, and flex the back foot. Lean forward. Breathe back. Pyramid, hamstring, deep stretch, folding forward, point and flex. Head to knee. And pigeon pose, other side. Square your hips. Open the heart. King pigeon or any version. Lift. And pigeon twist. Keep your hips as low to the ground as possible. Back through center. Tuck the toe under, downward facing dog. You can step or jump back to Uttanasana. Inhale, lift, exhale. Come back down and into right hand facing out, Ganesha Mudra. 6 deep breaths. Tension on the exhale, no tension on the inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. And good job. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale up. And exhale back. Nice deep bend and forward bend. Open the heart, reach through. Deepen that hamstring stretch, head down. Bend both knees. Nice lunge. Fingertips are there as you lower. Press off the thigh, open the heart. Inhale, lift. fold forward, turn the knee out. Lift the back foot up, open the chest, flex and point, and bend forward. Come back up. Pyramid, deep hamstring stretch. Breathe, reach it forward. King pigeon. Open the heart. Twist the pigeon. Keep this angle here. You want to push off the elbow. Open the chest. And come back around, downward facing dog. Come through your plank pose. Feel free to hold chaturanga or just come straight through into your cobra. Good. Breathe it up. Back. Other side lunge. Lower the back knee. Toes press off the thigh. Open the heart. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Reach the heart. Lift the foot up in the back. Point and flex. Bend forward. Shift back. Point and flex. Deep bend. Head to knee. Reach forward. Pigeon pose. Breathe. And king. Breathe in. Open chest. Twisting. Cup the knee. Elbow. Wrap. Back through, downward facing dog. And either step or jump, Uttanasana. Inhale out and up. Back to the Ganesha Mudra. Right hand facing out, repeating your 6 breaths and your tension. Good job.